Creating content in WordPress involves several steps, from writing and formatting your text to adding media and optimizing for SEO. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create content in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website's login page. Usually, it's yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Access the editor. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard or admin area. Click on Posts in the left-hand menu if you're creating a blog post, or Pages if you're creating a static page. Then, click Add New. Write your content. In the editor, you'll see a large text area where you can start typing or pasting your content. You can also use the visual or block editor, depending on your WordPress version. Formatting text. Use the editor's formatting options to style your text. You can make text bold, italic, create headings, lists, and more. In the block editor, you can use blocks like optimizing your WordPress website for search engines. SEO is crucial for improving your site's visibility in search results and attracting organic traffic. Here are some essential steps to enhance SEO on a WordPress website. Choose a SEO-friendly theme. Start with a well-coded, mobile-responsive WordPress theme that is designed for SEO. Many themes are SEO optimized right out of the box. Install an SEO plugin. WordPress offers several SEO plugins, like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack. These plugins provide tools to optimize your content, meta tags, and more. Permalink structure. Configure your permalink structure to be SEO-friendly. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and choose a structure that includes keywords from your post or page titles. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords for your content using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Use these keywords naturally in your content. Optimize content. Write high-quality, informative content that is valuable to your audience. Use your target keywords in the title, headings, and throughout the content, but don't overdo it. Avoid keyword stuffing. Use SEO-friendly meta titles and meta descriptions for each post or page, making sure they contain your primary keyword. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages or posts within your website to improve user experience and help search engines understand your site's structure. Image optimization. Compress and optimize images to reduce page load times. Use descriptive fill names and alt tags for images with relevant keywords. Create an XML sitemap. Use an SEO plugin to automatically generate and submit an XML sitemap to search engines. This helps search engines index your site more efficiently. Robots, text and access files. Configure your robots text file to instruct search engines which parts of your site to crawl or not crawl. Use the access file to set up 301 redirects for any broken or changed URLs. Speed optimization. Optimize your website's loading speed by using caching plugins, optimizing code, and choosing a reliable hosting provider. Mobile optimization. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Google gives preference to mobile-responsive websites in search rankings. Security. Keep your WordPress installation, themes, and plugins updated to protect against security vulnerabilities that could harm your SEO. Monitor and analyze. Regularly monitor your site's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your SEO efforts and make necessary adjustments. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and it may take time to see significant improvements in your search rankings. Consistency and high-quality content are key to long-term SEO success on your WordPress